times today. I'm going to walk you through everything step by step, give you the strategy, make sure you're ready to go with the fibs, ready to rock and roll for tomorrow. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. So first and foremost, let's do some shout outs. Keith, Trading Wars Army, what's going on? Gary, Otis, Just Fun, Anthony, Trading Wars Army, Terrence, Dr. D, George, Bill, Deepak, Liu, Trading Wars Army, good to see you. MJ, Calmeen, Jim, Rudy, George, Marcelo, Trading Wars Army, Heartstrong, STK, Trading Wars Army, Scratch, George, and Seven, what's going on, brother? And West, Trading Wars Army, good to see you. All right, hit me with a 1. If you can hear me loud and clear, get the pen and the pad out. I'm not going to take too much of your time today, but I'm going to give you some golden nuggets, guys, that are going to go a very, very long way. So let's go ahead here and let me start from scratch. I'll hit the replay and I'll walk you through all the trades step by step. Okay. So first thing we do is draw the previous day's high and low. So here is the low right there. Here is the high right there. All right. So go ahead and put those in white. And we're going to go get our short trigger from the Discord. So our trigger trades, our short plan today was 402.71. So that was our line in the sand where we're looking to short. Okay. So here we go. Horizontal line, 402.71. Double click on this, hit the coordinates down to 71. And we're going to go ahead and make this red. Okay. So let's just go ahead and let the first candle come in right here. Boom. Okay. So the first thing we have to do is understand, what does this first candle mean? Okay. So this first candle, we could see we gapped down from the close on Friday. However, we're still inside of this range. We haven't broken out of this box. So you have to think that any bull, right? Think about this. Any bull that got long on Friday and they decided to hold it through the weekend, when we gap down here, how are they going to be feeling? You think they're going to be feeling happy or sad? Hit me with a 1 for happy, hit me with 2 it's sad. You just always put yourself into the trading shoes and understand what the psychology is at the open. Okay. So we can see we gap down. So they're a little bit nervous, right? They're a little bit nervous. So now we understand the bulls are nervous right now, but they're not dead yet. They're not dead in the water. So we have our red line, which is our trigger. This is the level where I have, if we look back here, this was a major Fibonacci level on Friday. So we're looking to see if this can break, because if it can break, we think we can flush, because we think the stop losses are going to get run on the bulls. Okay, so now here we go. Go to my live commentary in the morning. So you see, good morning, friends, inside open. Let's be ready. This is at 6:20 Pacific, 9:20 Eastern. Our short entry is 402.71. Let's keep an eye on it. And right here, guys, at exactly 10 is when our short trigger was activated. So I'll walk you through that right now. So throughout this chop here, guys, you don't really have to do too much. If you wanted to play this little micro leg here, so if I take this Fibonacci from the low to high right here, you could see that this was a full stop out on the bulls. And when this happened here, this also gave me a lot of confidence that, you know what, maybe the shorts are here today. Maybe they came to play the game, because the bull algo did not react today. So here we go. Now we come down. Boom. You see that, guys? Right there. Beautiful. That's what we look for, right? That's a quick scalp right there. Okay. We broke our red line. We're looking for the previous day's low, and we smash right through it. Notice when we make that new low, this is where you need to be covering. Okay. Because why? Because if you don't cover, then if you chase this short, this is where the rookies chase, then the market pops right back up on them. You see? So you don't want to be the one chasing. You want to be the one getting in on the level. Okay. And then we take it down, cover into the new low. And then what we did is we reset. We wait for the next trading opportunity, leave some runners on as well. Okay. That's the general way. Cover some, leave some runners. Cover some, leave some runners. Hit me with a 10 if you're following me so far. So that was the first short trade right there. Breaking the red line, which is our trigger. We identified it from Friday's Fibonacci. We want that fib to break, because we say, hey, there were bulls here. So how are they going to feel if we come back and destroy their level? Well, this is what happens. So let me show you from here. So the next thing we had is the afternoon leg Fibonacci. So I'm going to go from high to low like this. I'm going to double click. And I'm just going to put on the basic setting here. And what we're looking for is the 618. That's all we're looking for. One line right there. There's our 618. We're just waiting for that. Okay. So let's play this out. So we come up here, guys. We pop. We don't tag the 618. So we're still waiting there. There we go. There's a 618 touch right there. Rejection, rejection. Okay. Look at all of these wicks here. Right. And when I do these plays here, I like to keep the stop at the high of the day for protection. This was the candle that really said the algorithm is here to play. Look at the size of that wick. Okay. So we're able to get short on that 618 right there. And check this out. She's gone. 500% from that 618. 500% on the 0 DTE puts. Okay. We followed it live here on the Twitter. I'll show you. So this was the first one the first time we posted, it was at 134%, the 402 put. So just one strike out of the money right there. Okay. And then at the end of the day, guys, from 50 cents to $3, just an amazing, amazing, amazing day. And we drew it up together in real time. We had this afternoon leg ready to rock and roll. We're just waiting for that 618. Once we saw we had that range, we were just ready. So we had that ready to go, guys, and absolutely destroyed it today. Hit me with a 11 if you enjoyed that. Was that good? This was a nice day. Really nice day. A lot of the times early on the week, sometimes you don't get that momentum, but today was really good. And we had that first push down, pull back right to the 618. We loaded up there, guys. We don't chase. Okay. We don't chase. All right. We're not the rookies. We get that pullback. Why do you want that pullback? You want that pullback because what? You want it because the option premium is going to be decayed. Look at all of this chop. If you're going 0 DTE with all this chop, bam, 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 you see all that chop? Now you come in, you get the puts up here. After it went up, you're going to get them for 50 cents. See? Hit me with a 2 if that makes sense. So the strategy, the fib, why it's such an amazing thing is because not only do we have hidden levels of support and resistance, but we also let the factor in of decay. So if you do 0 DTE, you let the decay happen and you catch it at the top. Okay. And look, obviously, guys, this could be a loser and you can just get stopped out. But what's your risk reward? Let's say you lose 50 or 60% of the premium, but when you hit it, you make 500%, you make 1,000%. You're making 5 or 10 times your money right there. And that's how you stay alive. Okay. All right, guys. So that was it, man. Look, nothing complicated here. I want to keep it short and sweet. I want my message to get across. I have hundreds of Fibonacci videos on this channel, and it's the same thing we talk about every single week, guys. We don't go from Flo, Joe, and Mo, and then we come back to the hedges and the wedges. We stick to what we know works for us because we trade. We actually trade. And when you actually trade, you can't switch strategies every week, because if you switch strategies every week, you won't have an account. Does that sound familiar? All right, so we keep it clean and simple. Let's do a quick market update right now, because I think we're in a really, really good time here. So let's go ahead here to the weekly chart. So you could see it's only been 2 days and we've already broke last week's range. That's really interesting here, guys, because, you know, sometimes it takes to the end of the week to get a big range, but we already have one developing. So I like that. Let's go ahead here. Let's look at futures right now. Let's see if anything is going on. So we opened pretty much right here, and we're kind of rallying a little bit right now, but doesn't really mean too much because the range is still pretty tight. So I'll check back in the morning and I'll do a post on the Twitter for us to ready to rock and roll. Okay. So as always, guys, check me out at tradingwars.com. That's the place to be. Everything I just taught you there is in my Fibonacci and options mastery book. Over 50 charts, 70 pages, guys. You get the indicators, the premium ones for life, just a one-time charge. Come trade with us live tomorrow. 30 days, guys. Come trade with us live tomorrow. Okay. 30 days for free with the purchase of any book, or you can sign up right here on the main page if you're interested, my friends. But look, if you want to spice it up today, because today we hit so big, if you want to spice it up, let me ask you a question. Hit me with a 4 if you'd be interested in getting a sale right now or a deal right now. Hit me with a 4. Would you be interested, or do you want to wait? Do you guys want to wait till next year? Okay, because I'm debating in my head right now. But let's see what we have in the chat. So if you want to, we can make it work, because whenever I hit big, guys, I give back, you know. And I want the message to get out there. I'm willing to, I want this message to get out here. All right, this is what we're going to do. 24 hours only, 24 hours. We're going to bring back the 2-month deal. All right, for 24 hours. So if you purchase any one of these 3 books, you're going to get 2 months in the room, 2 months. And if you purchase, you can stack it. So if you want to get all 3, then you can go ahead and get 6 months in there. And when you have all 3 books, you're able to get into the seminars. So we do this with the next seminar is going to be early January. My members that have all 3 books support the channel. I don't charge anything for the seminars. And the seminars, we look at months and months and months and months of data, guys. And I think a lot of you will like that. All right. Or you can sign up right here. If you don't want to get the book, you can sign up right there on the main page. Thank you very much, my friends. Let's go ahead to Trendspider. Let's see what we have for tomorrow. So there definitely won't be a lot of inside bars, but there are some blue raindrops. And, I love trading blue raindrops. McDonald's right here, a blue raindrop. For some reason, McDonald did close with an inside bar. So that's something that is on my list. And you can see it's been going sideways for a long time. So this thing needs to break out at some point. Can't go sideways forever. Let's go ahead and look at the Holy Grail, see if we have anything here. Nothing really that I like. And let's go see the Nirvana. I'll post some pics on the Twitter. Moderna, it's always ready to rock. Moderna. The last Nirvana we had a little bit of a sell off there. So this is a very interesting time. So let's take a look at that one as well. I'll get the pics ready for you guys in a bit. And you know what? Just to drop the stream and to celebrate, let's do a giveaway. Hit me with a 7 real quick if you want a giveaway. I appreciate you guys. Appreciate your time. And let's do a giveaway. Why not? Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go to my channel. And the video we did last night, guys, the Trading Spy for a Living, really solid viewership. And I know you guys enjoyed it. 1.5K views in about 24 hours. Really good. So only 29 comments. Go ahead right now, drop a comment on this video, and you'll have a chance to win the giveaway for today. So I'm going to go ahead and just link that in here. Boom. All right. So I'll give you guys like 1 or 2 minutes, and then I will go ahead and do the random number generator. Also, guys, in the description to the videos here, you'll see that I have interactive broker links right here, how to futures trade. Check that out, guys. That's some really solid knowledge there. Automatic conditional orders, really solid. Check it out. I'm going to be dropping some more knowledge for you guys in a bit. Just been busy, but I will get some information for you guys soon. Okay. So let's go ahead and see. Are you guys done here? I'm going to go ahead right now. 1 second. And I just really wanted to say, guys, stick to something that you can repeat. Whatever it is in trading, that's the best advice I can give you. And I like the fibs because it can make me the most money, right? But if you can't apply the knowledge, if you don't have the ability to trade during the day, or if you can't stay consistent, don't waste your time, because you'll be doing yourself a disservice. Okay. All right. So what we're gonna do right here. Hold on a second here. 61 comments. So I'm gonna go ahead to the random number generator right now. Here, 1 to 61, 3, 2, 1. Number 36. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. His brother right here, Tom B. You are the winner, my brother. I hope you're in the chat right now. Tom, you're a longtime supporter, so I'm really happy that you got this giveaway, man. I appreciate all of your time watching the videos, leaving comments. So we'll get you with your 1 month book or whatever you want. We'll take a look at your account and see what you need, and we'll get you at least 30 days in the Discord. If you don't have a book, we'll get you the book too. Okay. Thank you so much, my friends. Leave a comment. You'll have a chance to win giveaways. You never know which video I'll pick. So leave a comment, leave a like. Let's really push for the end of the year. Let's get some subscribers up in here. Hit the subscribe button. I have a lot of things that I could show you guys that are on a different level. But if I go there, a lot of you are going to get confused because it's complex. But I could show you guys some crazy stuff with trading on a different level. Let me know if you want to see some of that stuff. Hit me with the subscribe, hit me with the like. Thank you very much for your time and have a great evening.